Welcome to Crypto Pearl. You're for the latest updates on Pepe Coin and the crypto world. Is Pepe pumping or dumping? Major whale moves, exchange listings, and breaking news. We've got it all covered. Stay ahead of the game. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you never miss an update. Let's dive into today's Pepe Coin news. Let's go. Pepe Price Live Data. The live Pepe price today is $0.000009 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 558,662,114 US dollars. We update our Pepe to USD price in real time. Pepe is up 4.52% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 29, with a live market cap of $3,957,630,451 US dollars. It has a circulating supply of 420,689,899,653,544 Pepe coins, and a max supply of 420,690,000,000,000 Pepe coins. Pepe has experienced a 47.78% downtrend, but increasing accumulation and rising RSI momentum suggest a possible reversal. A breakout above $0.00001056 could ignite a 54.22% surge. The support level is holding for now, but all previous levels have flipped into strong resistances. As long as the trend remains intact, buyers still have a chance to step in. That said, I wouldn't consider this asset for investments, only for short-term speculative trades. Pepe leverages the security and resilience of the Ethereum network. As an ERC-20 token, it benefits from one of the most decentralized and secure blockchain infrastructures available. This ensures full transparency in transactions while enabling seamless integration with wallets, DeFi platforms, and decentralized marketplaces. By utilizing Ethereum, PEPE achieves both efficiency and scalability, positioning itself as a project with a strong technological foundation that drives its growth. Pepe consolidating near key support, holding 0.00000937, up 1.19%. BOS and CHOCH confirm mixed structure, no clear trend. A liquidity sweeps at EQH and EQL suggest accumulation. Needs to break 0.00001050 for bullish continuation. Losing 0.00000900 could trigger deeper downside. Watching for a decisive move. Pepe due to Solana's 3-month projected decline from unlocks and team sell-offs. Pepe is projected to hit 60 billion market cap over the next 3 months due to rotation. That is a 17x return on investment. A 1,700% move to the upside. Happy trading. Pepe Unchained is experiencing a dramatic downturn today, with its price plunging by 15%. Although this steep decline has raised concerns among investors, a closer look reveals that the project's core fundamentals remain intact. With its current market cap, there is still significant room for growth, even as the broader altcoin market faces a downturn. However, short-term volatility has prompted some investors to explore new opportunities in the pre-sale market, where SLX is gaining attention amid rising demand for Solana-based meme coins. Pepe Unchained, PEPE Price Analysis. Pepe Unchained is down 21% as of today, signaling a significant sell-off that has even impacted the weekly performance charts. At a market cap of $39 million, the drop might seem alarming. However, it's important to note that nothing fundamental about the project has changed. The core technology, utilities, and long-term vision remain strong despite the current price action. Additionally, the broader altcoin market is also facing a downturn, suggesting that this sell-off is part of a wider market correction rather than an isolated issue. Despite the price drop, investor sentiment around Pepe Unchained shows interesting nuances. A recent Twitter observation noted that while the price is falling, the staked tokens are on the rise, indicating that there is still more buying than selling at the core level. This sentiment is further reinforced by Bybit's recent accumulation of $PPU tokens, hinting at a possible future listing that many believe could bolster the project's market position. Moreover, other utilities within the Pepe Unchained ecosystem, such as the pump pad, continue to show growth. The platform is not just a simple token. It's building a comprehensive ecosystem with a pump pad, a decentralized exchange, DEX, a bridge, and even a block explorer. These developments underscore the project's commitment to long-term value creation despite short-term market volatility. The PEPE price plunged over 6% in the last 24 hours to trade at $0.00929 as of 10:41 p.m. Eastern Standard Time as investors decrease their exposure to the meme coin. With the recent drop, the PEPE price is now down more than 40% on the weekly time frame as well. PEPE price in a consolidation phase. For our chart for PEPE/USD, the PEPE price has been in a consolidation phase between $0.00008683 and $0.001038 over the past few days, data from Gecko Terminal shows. This period of sideways trading might be the build-up to a big move for the frog-themed meme coin. In recent hours, the PEPE price has started to drop towards the lower boundary of the consolidation channel at $0.00088683. Should it fall below this point within the next 24 to 48 hours, the crypto might be at risk of plunging to as low as $0.007292 in the short term. On the other hand, traders identifying PEPE's current levels as a buy opportunity could lead to a more bullish scenario playing out. The PEPE price might try to flip the $0.00001038 barrier into support if buyers take control. A 4-hour candle close above this resistance could then give the meme coin the foundation needed to rise to the subsequent resistance at $0.00012133. Bulls might take full control of the PEPE price soon. From a technical standpoint, the moving average convergence divergence (MACD) and the relative strength index (RSI) indicators on the 4-hour chart are starting to show early bullish signs. In recent hours, RSI readings have started to climb, which could be interpreted as a sign of growing buyer strength. However, it's important to note that this rise in the RSI comes after a steep plunge in the last 48 hours. Nevertheless, the positive slope of the RSI line is a potentially bullish indication that shows buyers are trying to fight back. Traders might want to wait for the RSI to cross the neutral 50 mark before entering into a long position, as a break above this point could suggest that bulls have taken over control of the PEPE price and might try to push it up in the short term. Meanwhile, the MACD line rising towards the MACD signal line on the 4-hour chart suggests that momentum might slowly be shifting in favor of buyers. While the current alignment of the two technical indicators, with the MACD line positioned below the MACD signal line, is bearish, the narrowing gap could lead to a bullish crossover soon. If this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on your problem in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.